welcome back to Capture This, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be trying and reviewing the Boney Maman Advent Calendar with fruit spreads and honey. So let's get started. We're going to look for day one and then open it. The flavor of the day is pear Mirabelle plum spread. So I'm going to take the tab off and put it on my toast. So this flavor is super good. It's really not too sweet, but it's like perfect ratio of sweet and tart. So now it is day two. So now let's find two. I think it's on this side. Okay, so it's down here and I'm going to get it out and then show you what flavor I got. And today's flavor is cherry elderflower spread. So I'm going to put some on the toast and then I'll tell you how it tastes. So I just tried it, and one thing is it's definitely very sweet, like the sweetest one out of the two so far. So today is day three. I'm going to find the 3 on the advent calendar, take it out, and then show you what flavor I got. Okay, so it looks like today's flavor is mango peach lime spread. So let's put it on our toast and try it. So this one was definitely the sweetest out of the 3 so far. The mango and peach flavor was definitely there, but the lime was a little more subtle, which was very nice. So today is day 4 of the advent calendar unboxing, so I already actually found it. It is right here, so I'm going to open it up and show you guys what flavor I got. So today's flavor is seedless raspberry spread, and that actually sounds really good. So I'm going to put it on my toast and try it for you guys. So the raspberry one is definitely my favorite so far. It's just, I feel like, the simplest, and I just like it the best. So now I'm going to share with you guys my top 3 and bottom 3 jams. My top 3 favorite jams were the grapefruit dragon fruit, the raspberry red currant, and the pineapple passion fruit. My bottom 3 jams were days 2, 15, and 23. Day 2 was cherry elderflower, day 15 was fig cardamom, and day 23 was mandarin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe down below so you never miss an upload, and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next 5 days in December, and we'll be continuing to post Vlogmas uploads. Bye!